Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Emedaj Fashions in-depth training. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this elastic dress I created, and it's going to be in the form of a skirt and a top. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button. So without wasting much time, let's proceed to the table. We'll be needing 3 yards fabric for this type of dress. Then our ruler, you will need a ruler and your pair of scissors, and you'll be needing chalk, our tape measure, then pins for the tacking. So let's start with the pattern creating. First, we're going to start with the skirt. First, fold your fabric into 2 equal parts and refold into 4 equal parts. Then iron or use this method I'm using. Make sure to press it firmly. So we are going to fold 4 inches to serve as the band. So I'm making sure I get my 4 inches. You can decide to make it 3 inches or 2 inches, depending on how you want it. The skirt is going to come in 2 patterns. So you first create your full skirt length, depending on how you want your length to be. Then after, we're going to divide it into 2, making one longer than the other. So I'm using 21 inches for the first part. Then repeat the same procedure at the other side, which is the 21 inches. Then after, I'm going to join the 2 marks I created and then cut it off. So after you are done cutting, make sure to fold your work neatly before proceeding to the next one. Then we're going to create the second part of the skirt. For the second part, I'm going to use 8 inches. For this part also, you can decide to either increase or decrease it. That is, if you want it longer, you can increase it, and if you want it shorter, you decrease it. But I've decided to use 8 inches, and we're going to create double of this 8 inches we are creating here. So please bear in mind, after cutting this, we're going to cut another one, making it 2. So we are done with this part. Let's cut the next one, and it's also 8 inches. So after we are done cutting with these 2 pieces, we are going to join them together. Then after, create gathers and join it to the first part of the skirt. So we are done with the skirt pattern creating. We are going to move on to the blouse. For the blouse pattern, first fold 2 inches. You can decide to make it 1 inch, half inch, or 1.5, but I have chosen 2 inches. So since this is an off-shoulder blouse, I'm going to deduct 5 inches from the full blouse length. But first, I'll measure from that point to my waist. Then after, add additional inches. So I'm going to decide to add 4 additional or 5 additional inches. So from my shoulder to waist is 16. Then the full blouse length, I'm going to make it 21. Repeat the same process for the back. Let's create the pattern. So divide your back measurement into 2. Then after, add additional inches of your choice. But I've decided on 4. Armhole circumference depends on the body size, and my armhole circumference is 9.5. I'm going to deduct the 5 inches from the 9.5, and the remaining is 4.5 or 4.5. After I'm done with the armhole, I'm going to move on to the bust. So you divide your bust measurement into 4. Then add additional inches. So I've decided to add 5 inches. Now these 2 points is going to serve as your new armhole. So you join them together. If you're a little bit heavier, make it 6 inches to 7 inches. Create your lines at the positive side of your fabric. And these lines we are creating is going to guide us while stitching. The elastic thread will be at the negative side of the fabric, whilst the main thread will be at the top of the fabric, or the positive side. So please don't forget. Please repeat the same procedure with the skirt. And remember, the skirt we folded 4 inches to be the waistband. So make sure you fold 4 inches and create your lines at the positive side. After you are done, fold your work neatly. Let's proceed to the sewing machine. So this is our elastic thread. Follow carefully for the stitching. As I said earlier with the second part of the skirt, I joined the two pieces together and then created my gathers. So please, if you do not know how to create gathers, go through my videos and then you will learn how to do it. So I'm going to attach it to the first part of the skirt and then our work is done. This marks the end of the simple elastic dress I created. Hope you've learned something new. Please let me know at the comment section, and please also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like and share. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so we can always meet again. Bye.